This is the Quiet Lab anti-snoring mouthguard. A Facebook ad convinced me that it would solve my problems of waking up tired and groggy and suffering from brain fog throughout the day. So I decided to give it a shot for 50 bucks. As soon as I hit order, they tried to sell me a sonic cleaning device, and I realized that the guard itself has a limited shelf life. This is a lower jaw moving style anti-snoring device, and it is made up of three parts: the top guard, the bottom guard, and the middle hinge piece. The top and bottom connect to the hinge using these kind of diamond-shaped outcroppings, and you adjust the jaw movement based on where you install them in the hinge. Core, you don't need to mold the guards to your teeth. My first nights with this thing were awesome. I woke up feeling amazing and had more energy throughout the day. The device itself is compact, so you can still close your mouth when you sleep, and I like that it is on a hinge, so you don't have to bite down consistently to keep it in place. Unfortunately, the limited life of the guard pieces is a deal breaker for me, especially because the diamond pieces seem to wear faster than the rest of the guard. After a week or so, I noticed that the bottom guard was sliding all the way down to the lowest position during the night. And upon investigation, I determined that the guard adjustment outcroppings were damaged. Overall, this guard works, but the designed limited life really hurts it in my opinion.